Over the past 56 years, our consistent growth propels TOA to be the #1 paint in Thailand. Supported by a range of color innovation and unsurpassed services. And TOA Color World, creating over 10,000 shades of color that resonates with every color demand, with the most extensive reach to consumers in Thailand, thanks to our large distribution channels of over 6,000 retailers. TOA operates by using state-of-the-art, safe and green manufacturing processes and relentless product innovation, research and development from our strong team of experts, guaranteed by honorable awards from eminent institutes every single year. Moving forward, TOA is committed to growing beyond colors by offering total solution across different types of products. To serve horizontal and vertical growth of the construction industry in Thailand and abroad. The first pillar of growth is to fortify our leading position of decorative paints and coatings in Thailand, with a 48.7% share in the market. What's more, the ASEAN economy is part of our expansion plans. TOA has completed the expansion of our production facilities to Indonesia, Myanmar, and Cambodia as part of the action plan. As a result, the overall production capacity rose from 88 to 102 million gallons per year, maximizing our competitiveness. To increase our market shares strongly in these countries, TOA is determined to be more than a paint business. We are ready to grow by introducing total innovation solution. TOA, growing beyond colors.